Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yeah, good evening. Good evening. Yeah, call. So can you ask all of them to come here? So I tried with that, so it's not working. Small, maybe I don't know actual problem. So I created one more. Can you ask them? Can you ask all of them to come here? Can you ask all of them to come here? Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Sorry for inconvenience. Yeah, can we go ahead then? Can we start? Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Can we start? Yeah. So compiler design. So it may give approximately, compiler design approximately will give approximately 6 to 10 marks. 6 to 10 marks. So most of the time 6 will come, right? Sometimes 8 also will come. Sometimes 10 also will come. Mostly either 6 or 8. Sometimes came 10 marks also. Sometimes, right? Sometimes came 10 marks also. Yeah, I have to share the screen. Okay, thank you. Thanks for informing. Yeah. So compiler design. So 6 to 10 marks. Compiler design 6 to 10 marks. Here recording not needed. Not needed. It will automatically record. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you. Yeah. Can we start now? Can we start? Right. Yeah. Let's start. Let's start now. I think everything is fine now. Let's start compiler design. So TOC plus compiler design combinedly will give 15 to 20 marks. TOC CD combinedly will give 15 to 20 marks. 15 to 20 marks combinedly. These two subjects combined will give minimum 15. Minimum 15, maximum 20. Yeah. My next question here is, can you type how many subjects you are already completed? Can you type one time how many subjects you are already completed? Make it fast. How many subjects you all people completed? Can you go ahead one time? Can you go ahead one time? Can you all people type how many subjects you people are completed? Including ongoing, including ongoing, including ongoing, including ongoing, including ongoing. How many subjects you completed? Make it fast, make it fast. Including ongoing subjects, how many subjects you completed? Everyone type one time. Everyone type one time. How many subjects you completed? Including ongoing. Including ongoing, how many subjects you completed? Everyone type. Everyone type. Everyone type. Right. Shakir. Shakir saying two. Two subjects left out or two? Two subjects left out or two? Are Gootle, two subjects left out or two? Right, fine. I think we can start. All the people came. We can start. All the people came, we can start. So my suggestion is, if anyone completed less than 4, if anyone completed less than 4, if anyone completed less than 4, can you speed up? If you completed less than 4, can you speed up? Can you speed up? If you completed less than 4, can you speed up? Please speed up one time. Those people who completed less than 4, please speed up. Right. Now let's go further. Let's go further. I'm starting now. Let's go further. Yeah. So I think today is the new batch starting. So everyone know this, right? So if anyone is not doing, right, daily quizzes, please utilize it. Daily quizzes are going on. Please utilize it. Right. And one more, 30 days DSA 30-day challenge also going on. It's free. You people can utilize. And if you want, you can join the, right, those people who are preparing for placements, you can join the web development course, app development course, DSA course, you can join. That's fine. Now let's start. Everything is ready. Now start now. Right on. So today's class is starting now. Today's class is starting now. Say one time everyone, good evening. Today's class is starting now. Can you say everyone one time good evening? Let's start the today's class. Say everyone one time good evening. Say everyone, right, one time good evening. One time good evening, say everyone. Let's start today's class. Already it is late, so let's start today's class. Everyone say good evening one time. We can start. So write down now. Write down. I'm starting. Today's class is starting now. Can you say the date? Can you say the date of today's class? Can you say the date of today's class? Can you say the date of today's class? 20, I think today is 19. Yeah, 19/07/24. Yeah, now I'm starting now. See this one. TOC plus CD both will give combinedly. TOC, CD both will give combinedly 15 to 20 marks. I mentioned already. Right? Now let's go to the CD syllabus. Let's go to CD syllabus. Let's go to the CD syllabus one time. The first chapter of the CD is going to be first chapter. First chapter is going to be Introduction to Compiler. First chapter is Introduction to Compiler, which we are going to discuss today. Introduction to Compiler is the first chapter. Second one, Lexical Analyzer. Third one, Syntax Analyzer. Fourth one, which is also called as parser. Fourth one is called syntax directed translation. Which is also called as SDT. Which is also called SDT. Syntax directed translation, which is also called SDT. So fifth one is going to be intermediate code generation. Intermediate code generation or generator. So sixth one is runtime environment. Seventh one is live variable analysis. So these are the topics. Yeah. So listen carefully these. Listen carefully this, you will get lot of advantage. And one more, the number of classes are approximately, in my opinion, right? Approximately, right? 18 to 20 classes. 18 to 25, let's make it as 25. Upper bound I am saying 25. 18 to 25. 18 to 25 classes, right? Maybe 20, maybe 23, I don't know. 18 to 25 classes, this subject will be over. Just spend 25 days maximum, right? This subject will be over. I am starting today, this is the syllabus. I am starting today, this is the syllabus. 18 to 25 lecture, this subject will be over. So you may get only compiler you may get 6 to 10 marks. 6 to 10 marks from the compiler you will get. So this is the syllabus. This is a very small subject. This is a very small subject, right? Everyone will get, right? Don't be tense. Whatever I am saying, just follow, right? My classes followed by just solve PYQs. My classes followed by just solve PYQs. They are more than enough, right? So I think this is the syllabus. I think everything I written clearly. So some people are asking me, sir, can you say the book, sir? There is a one book I can say, right? So Compiler Principle and Techniques. Compiler Principle and Techniques by Aho Woolman and Ravi Sethi. There is a one book is there which contain approximately 1500 pages. To the subject purpose, there is a one book is available, Compiler Principle and Techniques, right? By Aho Woolman and Ravi Sethi. Approximately 1500 pages are there. If you start reading all the 1500 pages, right? Interesting thing is, right? Still you are in the middle. GATE exam is over. Still you are in the middle. GATE exam is over. You don't know what you have to do. Still you are in the middle of the book, right? GATE exam may be over. So remember everyone, out of those 1500 pages, you need only 50 pages. Out of those 1500 pages, you need only 50 pages. Only 50 pages required. I am going to discuss about only those 50 pages. After completion of my things, listen, after completion of my subject, after completion of my entire course, this entire course is completed, you just try to solve the PYQs. In between, we will try the, right, weekend test also. Approximately we may write, right? I think approximately we may do 10 weekend tests we will do for this. So this course followed by 10 weekend tests, right? Afterwards PYQs if you do, mostly it is enough. Still, if you feel something left out, you can ask me, I will teach that also. Right? So let's start the story. I think everything is fine. So please don't try to read from books and all. It will really trouble you. Right? Fine. So I think right. So I think it's right. Really fine now. So I'm starting now. First chapter, Introduction to Compiler. Can you write now? First chapter, Introduction to Compiler. Write down now. Introduction to Compiler. This is the first chapter, Introduction to Compiler. So I'm starting now. Make sure everyone will follow. Make sure everyone will follow whatever I'm going to say, Introduction to Compiler. What exactly the chapter will do, I will discuss. It's a very, very important one. Please concentrate. Please concentrate here. Please concentrate here. Everyone listen. See this? High level language, right? High level language. High level language. This will be the input to the preprocessor. To the preprocessor input is high level language. Preprocessor. Preprocessor, you are giving high level language as input. High level language as input you are giving to the preprocessor. Now, can anyone guess? Can anyone guess what will be the output? For preprocessor, you are giving high level language as input. Can anyone guess what is the output? Preprocessor, you are giving high level language as input. Can you guess what will be the output? Can anyone help me? Input is high level language. Output. Anyone? Any guess? So I'm started. A compiler is started now. Compiler is started now. At the end of the today's lecture, you will get the clarity. What exactly compiler is? You will get the clarity. So can anyone help me? High level language is the input to preprocessor. What will be the output? Anyone? Any guess? Any guess? High level language as input. That is absolutely fine. What will be the output to the preprocessor? If anyone don't know, see the output. See the output now. Everyone know. Everyone know. Output is going to be pure high level language. Pure high level language as output. Input is going to be high level language. Output is going to be pure high level language. Like pure ghee. Like pure ghee. So right here, pure high level language. Previously high level language. Now also high level language only, but pure high level language. Like pure ghee. Right? So sometimes because of this incident is came, I want to explain to everyone. Right? I want to explain to everyone. See this one. Preprocessor input is high level language. Output is going to be pure high level language. When I say pure, I used to remember my madam used to make the ghee and all. She used to say the ghee which I made is a pure ghee. She used to make once in a month or once in a 2 months, I don't know. She will make and she will say, I made the ghee which is the pure ghee. Then immediately I remember, oh, pure high level language. So input is high level language, output is going to be pure high level language. Preprocessor, this is the input output. Some people are asking, sir, can you help me? What is the meaning of pure high level language? First of all, what is high level language? Remember everyone. Listen, remember everyone. This is high level language. If anyone don't know what is a high level language, can you see this one? This is high level language. A plus B is the high level language. A plus B is the high level language. Right? So some people are asking, A plus B is the high level language. Then what is the low level language, sir? This is the low level language. See this one. Add R1, R2. This is the low level language. A plus B is the high level language. Add R1, R2 is the low level language. Some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of pure high level language? Nothing there. In the high level language, shortcuts may be there. In the pure high level language, no shortcut. In the high level language, shortcuts may be there. In pure high level language, no shortcuts. Some people are asking, sir, can you give one example for this? See the example I am writing here. See the example I am writing here. Everyone listen. So this is the example. See this one. This is the example. Everyone listen. Hash define square of x is equal to x into x. Everyone listen. This is the meaning of right. What is the high level language? What is the pure high level language? See everyone. Hash define square of x is equal to x into x. Now can you see this one? Main mean into x is equal to 4 comma y. See this one. Then y is equal to 64 by square of x. Printf x comma y. Can anyone guess what is the output of this program? Can anyone guess what is the output of this program? As defined, square of x is x into x. So main into x is equal to 4 and comma y. Into x is equal to 4 comma y. Y is equal to 64 by square of x. So printf x comma y. Can anyone guess what is the output? And one important question here. Can anyone help me? In this program, what is the shortcut? In this program, what is the shortcut? What is the actual? Can anyone guess? In this program, what is the shortcut? What is the actual? Can anyone guess? If anyone knows, in this program, what is the actual? What is the shortcut? What is the shortcut? What is the long cut? Let me give answer. In this program, what is the shortcut? What is the actual? Or what is the shortcut? What is the long cut? Is remember everyone. Square of x is shortcut. Square of x is shortcut. Square of x actual code is x into x. This is the long cut. This is the actual, or which is also called long cut. It is the actual. It is a shortcut. It is a shortcut. Please be careful. This is the shortcut. Listen, this actual code is this. Here maybe in this problem, x into x look like very small. In this place maybe, there may be a chance of 1000 keywords also, or 1000 characters also may be there. In the actual place, 1000 characters may be there. But remember, shortcut is square of x. Actual is x into x. X into x plus maybe, right? 1000 characters are available. Now some people are asking, sir, if I give this program to preprocessor, so remember everyone, this is high level language. This is the high level language. If I give to the preprocessor, see this one, if I give to the preprocessor, what the preprocessor will do is, I am writing here. If I give this program to preprocessor, what the preprocessor will do is, it will replace shortcut by actual. It will replace in the program wherever shortcut there. It is replaced by actual. Some people are asking, sir, what exactly it will do? See this one. Everyone listen. It will replace shortcut by actual. See what it will do. Everyone listen. Main. See this one. Main into x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4, comma y. Everyone observe. Y is equal to 64, listen, 64 by square of x is the shortcut. Actually is x into x. Afterwards, printf x comma y. You will replace shortcut by actual. I think, listen everyone now. Not only replacing actual by shortcut. See the answer. As defined square of x into x. What the preprocessor will do is, it will replace shortcut by actual and it will delete this. It will replace shortcut by actual and it will delete this line, because the purpose of this one is, what this line is saying is, square of x is nothing but x into x. This line is saying that square of x means x into x. Whenever you replace shortcut by actual, then what is the need of this? It will delete also. Not only replacing, it will delete unnecessary things. Because of already you replace shortcut by actual, what is the need of this? Not required. So after replacing, it will delete. Now see how this story look like. Then it will become y is equal to 64 by, right? Listen everyone, y is equal to 64 by, right, x into x. X is 4 into 4. You know very well, according to the language rules, right? I think everyone know according to the language rules, right? Division and multiplication, right? Both are having same priority. Whoever will come first, he will be done here. 64 by 4, I think 16. 16 into 4, 64. Y value became 64. So x will be 4 only, y will become 64. 4 comma 64 will be printed. So the purpose of, listen everyone, the purpose of preprocessor is it will replace shortcut by actual. Please try to understand this. Other than this, nothing there. I am writing here. I am writing preprocessor purpose. Preprocessor purpose. Replacing shortcut by actual. That's it. And one more important, right? Purpose of the preprocessor is replacing shortcut by actual. That is the one thing. And one more thing, preprocessor don't do any calculation. It don't do any calculation. It don't do any calculation. Simply substituting, simply replacing. It don't do any calculation, but only substitution. Preprocessor purpose is replacing shortcut by actual. It don't do any calculation, but it will only do, only substitution. So remember the purpose of this program is, right? Listen everyone, the purpose of this, I want to explain preprocessor work. Remember, this is also called as, this line is also called as macro definition. This is also called as macro definition. This is also called as macro definition. Preprocessor, right? So whenever macro definition, name itself saying definition, macro definition. Whenever macro definition will come, automatically preprocessor will come into the picture. Now I think because of everyone is almost okay, I am going here, I am asking you, what are the preprocessor input, high level? What are the output? Output also high level, but pure high level. See this one? This is also high level program. This is also high level program. This is also high level program. But in the original problem, shortcut is there. But here no shortcuts are there. This is called pure high level language. This is simply high level language. Please try to understand. This is called macro definition. Macro definition is saying that first one means second one. See, it is the first one. Macro definition saying that first one means second one. This shortcut means this actual. First one means second one. This shortcut means this is, right? Careful. It don't do any calculation. It will do only substitution. No calculations, nothing. Some people are doing this one. Listen, some people are doing this one like this. What they are doing is 64 by square of x. X value 4, right? I think 4 into 4. They are doing 16. It is wrong. If you do this, it will become 64 by 16. Only 4 will come. It is wrong. So this is like this. 64 by square of x is x into x, which is equal to 64 by 4 into 4. According to programming language rules, 64 by 4 into 4, it should be done first, right? Programming language rules saying that division and multiplication both are same priority. Left to right associativity, left should be done first. Lastly, this one, finally, this will produce, what is the answer? 64. 64. Please let me know if anyone having any doubt. Anyone having any doubt, you please let me know. Those people who are watching, small doubt also there, please let me know. And one more thing, Johan is saying that A plus is equal to B. A plus is equal to B, which is nothing but A is equal to A plus B. Yeah, that is also. It will replace shortcut by actual. As a programmer, wherever you use shortcuts, it will replace by actual. It will replace by actual. Now come back. So introduction to compiler. So first story, high level language is the input to the preprocessor. High level language is the input to the preprocessor. Output is going to be pure high level language. Output is going to be pure high level language. Right, now come back. Listen everyone, now this pure high level language is input to the compiler. It is the input to the compiler. Compiler input is going to be pure high level language. Compiler input is going to be pure high level language. Compiler input is going to be pure high level language. Can anyone guess? What is output? Compiler input is going to be pure high level language. Can anyone guess what is the output? Compiler input is pure high level language. Can anyone guess what is the output? Any guess? Compiler input is right, pure high level language. Can anyone guess what is the output? Any guess? Compiler input is pure high level language. What is the output? So remember everyone. Compiler input is high level language, right? Output is low level language. This is the output. This is the high level language. This is the low level language. Remember, if anyone don't know, please remember. Compiler input is pure high level language. Output is going to be pure low level language. If you want, you can write pure. Otherwise, also no problem. Don't worry. So it is going to be low level language, which is also called as machine language. Low level language, which is also called as a machine language. Right? Machine language. Low level language, which is also called as a machine language. Some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of machine? Remember, this language for a processor. Processor is a machine. This language for the processor is a machine. This language for user. High level language for user. After compilation, you will get the low level language, which is also called as a machine language, because this language for machine. Processor is a machine. Right? Machine level language. Someone is written assembly language. That is also right. Assembly language. Compiler output is going to be low level language. Another name is a machine language. Another one is assembly language. Low level language, machine language, and one more thing is assembly language. All three are correct. Yeah, perfect. Everyone got. Perfect. Everyone got what is happening here. Now observe. Listen, everyone understand. Everyone understand this. See this one? Interesting answer. Everyone see this. See everyone this. So compiler output is low level language, machine language, and one more thing is assembly language. Now listen. This is the input to. Everyone listen. This is the input to assembler. This is the input to the assembler. That is the reason. Listen. That is the reason. Compiler output is assembly language, because next one is assembler. Compiler output is going to be assembly language, because the next level is assembler. Assembler input is assembly language. That is the reason they kept the name as assembler, assembly language. Sir, it is linked with TOC. Yeah, little bit. I will manage Spider-Man. You are a Spider-Man. What is the need of linking and all? You are a Spider-Man, right? You can link over itself. Spider-Man can link over itself. Over itself, you can link TOC and CD. You link all. You are a Spider-Man. Why you bother about the linking? You are already Spider-Man. Why you want to link, man? You can easily do it. Right? So what I want to say, Spider-Man, so I will take care. Please follow this properly. I will take care. Whatever is linking is there, I will take care. Right? So just follow properly. Nothing there. No need to think much. But anyhow, just I played some joke on you. You are a Spider-Man. Anyhow, you link. Right? Anyhow, you link. What is the problem? Why you bother? Right? Fine. So I post tomorrow. Tomorrow I will post on social media. My classes are attending. Spider-Man also attending my classes. Tomorrow on my social media, I may post this one. I'm very happy to announce that. Right? I'm very happy to announce that Superman also attending my lectures. Tomorrow I will post it. If you want, you can verify. It is one of the privilege what happened to me. Even Spider-Man also attending my lectures. The only thing is only Modi ji left out. Modi ji not attending my lectures and Rahul Gandhi not attending my lectures. Almost everyone attending my lectures. Spider-Man also, right? I think only Modi ji left out and Rahul Gandhi left out. Yeah, fine. Right? Thank you so much. Thanks for creating nonsense in my class. Spider-Man, thank you so much for creating nonsense in my life. So class is going so happily. To create nonsense, you came. To create nonsense in my class, you came. I'm very happy. Right? I will say to my madam also, Madam, do you know or not? Right? My classes are attending by Spider-Man also. Right? Yeah, someone is saying, see, I will block you. Arey, Spider-Man, mind your language. I will block you. Arey, Gootle. This Gootle saying something else. Brainless fellow. Arey, serious story going on. He's asking something. Modi ji was busy in. Arey, Johan, please don't disturb the class. Please don't disturb the class. Now come back now. It's okay. It's okay. Can we go further? Yeah, fine, perfect. Okay, fine then. Fine. Let's see this one. So assembler input is, listen, assembler input is assembly language. Now some people are asking, sir, what are the outputs are? Lack of space, I am going here. So assembler input is assembly language. Some people are asking, sir, what are the outputs are? Remember everyone. Output of assembler is relocatable code. Some people are thinking that. So Reddy sir, why are you going from the bottom to top? Why are you going line like this? Is there any logic? Arey bhaiya, no logic yaar. Lack of space I am going. Some people, even though in their notes there is a gap is there, still they are going. They are thinking that some logic is going on. Arey bhaiya, no space yaar. No space below assembler, no space. So I am going right hand side, topmost corner. Some people are thinking there is some logic. I will also write like this. Arey bhaiya, no yaar. No bhaiya. Use some common sense. Arey Sayan, please write the notes properly. Use some common sense yaar. Right? Some people are going assembler, below gap is not there. Where I will write? Below gap not there, where I will write? Yeah, I went to that is the reason, right hand side topmost. Anyhow, relocatable code. So assembler input is assembly language, output is relocatable code. Some people are asking what it means. I will explain. What it means, I will explain within few minutes. Now see correctly now. Assembler, okay. Next one, everyone listen. Next one is linker. Next one is linker. So what the linker will do is it will link. It will convert the right. It will convert the linker will convert relocatable. See relocatable code, relocatable machine code, relocatable machine code. Output is relocatable machine code. Another name for this one, relocatable assembly language. Another name, relocatable, right? Low level language, relocatable machine code or machine language, relocatable machine language. Next one, relocatable assembly language, relocatable low level language. Now that will be given to the linker. Linker will convert single relocatable machine language, single assembly language, single low level language. What it means I will explain. Don't worry much, just try this. Within few minutes I will clarify. Yeah, this is the input to loader. This is the input to loader. I will explain. Yeah, I will explain. Just try down. So preprocessor will take high level language as input. Output is going to be pure high level language. Compiler will take pure high level language as input. Output is going to be low level language, machine language, and assembly language. Then assembler will produce relocatable machine language or relocatable assembly language or relocatable low level language. That will be given to the linker. Linker will create single relocatable machine language, single assembly language, or single low level language. That will be given to loader. Now observe clearly. Some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of assembler? Listen everyone. Everyone careful. Everyone careful now. Everyone careful. So whenever you are writing program, initially where is your program? Listen everyone, you are typing a program, program is there. You are typing a program is there in the hard disk. You are saving a program is there in the hard disk. You open a file, program is there in the hard disk. Saving a program, listen, typing time also, saving time also. So every time program is there in the hard disk. Now can you help me now? Program is there in the hard disk, okay. But if you want to run the program should go from the hard disk to main memory. If you want to run the program should go from hard disk to main memory. Means it has to move from one place to another place. Program initially there in the hard disk. If you want to run the program, it should go to main memory. It should go to cache memory. Means your program should go while running from hard disk to main memory or hard disk to cache memory. It has to move. Remember. If at all it has to move, you have to give your code to assembler first. What the assembler will do is it will change, right? It will do some changes in the program in such a way that it can relocate to anywhere. Without assembler, if you move the code from the hard disk to main memory or a hard disk to cache memory, you may lose something in the program. There may be some problems will come. Assembler will make the program in such a way that program can go one memory to another memory without losing anything. Your program can move one place to another place because of assembler. Assembler will do necessary changes in the program. It is something like this. Listen, it is something like this one. Listen everyone, it is something like this one. You are the person, you are Indian. You want to go to US. Careful everyone, you are the Indian, you want to go to US. If you want to go to US, you are Indian, there should be a requirement of visa. There is a requirement of visa. If if anyone got the visa indication that you are eligible to go from India to US, there is a person who want to go from India to US. If at all he want to go from India to US, he cannot go directly. There is a requirement of visa. Whenever people are giving visa, they will check all the necessary things. Is Indian, you want to go to US, right? Can I give the visa or not? If you go to the visa, right, the office which is giving visa, he will check all the things which are needed. Is there any problem if I allow him to US? Right, the visa department will check all the thing. USA visa department, it will check all. So this is his qualification. You want to go to US, can I allow or not? If I allow, will he create any problem? Will he face any problem? They will ask you, do you know English or not? What is your financial background? Right, if at all, if you say at the visa, right, at the USA, right, USA, if you want to go to the US, right, US visa office, if you go, they will ask you, are you beggar or not? If you are a beggar, US visa people will say, no, we don't allow. There is a one beggar of India want to go to US, so visa required. So definitely visa people will stop you because you are a beggar, right? Americans may not they don't want one more beggar. In their country already enough beggars are there, right? So that is the reason they will check account balance also. Are you beggar or not? They will verify. Suppose if you are already beggar, they don't allow you because they have enough beggars. They will verify, do you know English or not? Because you are Indian, total US people will speak in English. Will you get the language or not? So they will verify all. If you are eligible, then only they will give. Assembler is exactly like this. Assembler is like visa office. Like visa office. Assembler is like visa office. Suppose assume that visa people are given the visa indication that you are eligible to go from India to US. Visa stamp is there, indication that you can go from, right, India to US. Similarly, assembler will do that. Without assembler, if you go from the hard disk to main memory, it is almost like without visa, you are going to India to US. If you go without visa India to US, you may not come back. If you go US to India, if you go India to US without visa, I think you may not come back. So I'm clearly saying to you, I'm clearly saying to every person, assembler is like visa. Right? So visa people will allow you to go from India to US. Similar way, assembler will allow you to go from hard disk to main memory, hard disk to cache memory, or main memory to cache memory. So this is called as relocatable code. Previously also low level, now also low level, but relocatable low level language. Previously also machine language, now also machine language, but relocatable machine language. The difference between this code is both are same. Previously, you don't have a right of going from one place to another place. After assembler, you have the right of going from one place to another place. So like that, you are Indian, you want to go to US, compulsory you have to take visa. Without visa, if you go from India to US, some problems will come. This is called relocatable machine language. Previously, I have machine language, now also machine language, but it's a relocatable. Previous one, right? Previous one, there may be some problem. If you go from India to US without visa and passport, some problem will come. Same thing here also. Is there anyone who have doubt till now? Sir, I have doubt. Is there anyone who is having doubt till now? Check if anyone having. Yeah, good evening, Bharat. Good evening, Bharat. Good evening, Bharat. Can anyone guess? Anyone having any doubt? Before assembler, low level language. After assembler, relocatable low level language. Before assembler, machine language. After assembler, relocatable machine language. Before assembler, assembly language. After assembler, relocatable assembly language. Check anyone having any doubt. Respond, yaar. Arey man, respond. Are can't you respond? Someone is saying, what is the advantage? What is the advantage of going from hard disk to main memory? Hard disk is very slow. Main memory is faster. If the memory is slow, then processor also becomes slow. Processor is the costly one. You want to utilize the processor as fastly as possible. When the processor will ask give data is coming from hard disk, it will take a lot of time. Processor saying please give data coming from hard disk, it will take a lot of time. So processor unnecessarily waiting. You are wasting processor time. If the data is coming from the main memory, processor will take the data fastly, it will do calculation fastly, then program running become very less time. If the processor is getting data from cache memory, then data is coming so fastly, right? I think the processor will do calculations fastly, then program will take very less time. So it is always better to data is coming from main memory or cache memory. You can take from the hard disk also, but it is too slow. Right? Fine. I think it's perfect. Now listen everyone. Everyone listen. One more interesting story. Please help me. Everyone comment. I am the Indian. I want to go to US. I am the Indian. I want to go to US. I book the ticket. I went to the one of the online thing. I booked the ticket also. I got the visa also, passport also, everything fine. Tomorrow morning, listen. Tomorrow morning 6 o'clock my flight is there. Tomorrow morning 6 o'clock my flight is there. Can anyone guess today night what I am doing? Tomorrow 6 o'clock my flight is there from India to US. I got passport, I got visa, I have ticket, everything okay. Can you guess today night what I am doing in my house? Can anyone guess? Today night what I am doing in my house? Can you make it fast? Tomorrow morning 6 o'clock my flight there. Tomorrow morning 6 o'clock my flight there. I got everything, right? I have ticket, everything is there. Can you guess today night what I am doing? Yeah, I think Jay is saying one nice line, packing. Listen, packing. What is the meaning? All your clothes you will take, you will keep in your bag. All your clothes you will take, you will keep in your bag. The books, what in your house, so many clothes are there. You take your clothes, you will keep in your bag. So many books are there. You will take your books and you will keep in your bag. Packing is going on, which is also called linker. Linker will link all the things related to you. You are linking all the things related to you are keeping in your bag. That is called linker. Linker will link all the things associated to your program. Suppose isn't that listen, suppose isn't that it is a high level language program to big project. It is a very big project, assume. It is a high level language. Of very big project. Let us assume that inside this project there are so many programs. This program this project internally contain, right? Let us assume 20 programs are there. This is a very big project. This project internally contain 20 programs are there. 20 programs. Project name is, let us say project name is XYZ, which internally contain 20 programs. So this project high level language code is here. After preprocessor is over, all these 20 programs, pure high level language will come. After giving to compiler, right, all these 20 programs, low level language code will come. Machine language code will come. Assembly language code will come. After assembler, for all these 20 programs, relocatable machine language will come. Relocatable assembly language will come. Relocatable low level language will come. After giving to linker, so it will make all the 20 into one single file or one single, right? Just it will link all of them which are necessary. So single relocatable machine language. If at all linker got to know, right? One of the file is not related, it will neglect it. Whenever you are doing packing in your house, so many clothes are there. You will take only your clothes, you will keep in your bag. Right? Next one. Right? And in your house, so many books are there. You will take only your books, you will keep in your bag. In the similar way, linker also knows, right? To run this particular project, to run the project XYZ, which files really needed, linker knows. So it will take all the necessary file, you will make it as a single, so then it will become single relocatable machine language. It is something like packing, package, right? Packing is going on. Tomorrow morning 6 o'clock your flight is there. Today night, if my guess is correct, you are doing packing. Now some people are asking, listen, some people are asking, sir, if at all linker is not there, what is the problem? If at all linker is not there, what the problem is? If at all linker is not there, what the problem is? It is like without packing, right? Tomorrow morning flight 6 o'clock, you are not done any packing. Today night you eat like a buffalo. Today night you eat like a buffalo and you slept. No packing is there. Morning 6 o'clock flight is there. You woke up at 4 o'clock without any packing. You take randomly something. You run away to airport. You went to the airport and you went inside the flight. You get down in the US. You went to inside the US. Inside US, your room you went. But as soon as you went inside the room, you got to know that you lost your cell phone. You lost your documents. You lost one of your gold item. You lost because you are not done packing properly, right? I think cell phone maybe you lost. Maybe some books maybe you lost. Some clothes maybe you lost. So again you have to come back. Again you have to book the flight again from US to India. Again you have to come back. So 20,000 phone purpose, 20K phone purpose, going to US 1 lakh, coming to US one more 1 lakh, total 2 lakhs you have to spend for 20,000 phone. For 20,000 phone you have to spend 20, right? Approximately 2 lakh. So it is better to go after linking. Some people are asking, sir, whenever language is processing, without linker I will do. Without linker, if you do, your program, right? Relocatable code. I think linking is not there. Relocatable code only will goes to the processor. While running, one of the file is missing. Again, you have to come back. So it is a troublesome task. The best idea is please link it. All the necessary things will link. Then you will get the single relocatable machine language that will go to loader. Now it is a correct time to ask you, please help me. After linking is over, where is your program? Can anyone comment? After linking is over, where is your program? Please help me. After linking is over, where is your program? Make it fast. No. After linking is over, where is your program? Still in the hard disk. We are making ready. No, still in the hard disk only. See, before preprocessor hard disk, after preprocessor hard disk, before compiler hard disk, after compiler hard disk, before assembler hard disk, after assembler also hard disk, before linker hard disk, after linker also hard disk. Now also program is there in the hard disk only. The only thing is everything ready. So packing also done. Listen, packing also done. Then now you are at the airport. After packing is done, now you are at the airport. Now listen. After going to airport, now you went inside the flight, you sit. Then you went to the US. This one, loader will load the program. Loader will load the program from hard disk to main memory. Loader will load the program from hard disk to main memory. Now listen. This program is xyz.c, right? If at all it is a C compiler, xyz.c, right? Then after loading is over, now your program becomes xyz.exe, executable. Now I can say executable file. Now I will say executable file. Now your program is there in the main memory. Loading is what the loader will do? Loader will load the program from hard disk to main memory. Loader will load the program from hard disk to main memory. Loader will load the program from hard disk to main memory. Remember, before loading, program is there in the hard disk. After loading is over, program is there in the main memory. Now your program became xyz.exe, means it is executable. Now it is executable. Now it is executable. Now it is executable. Now your program is there in the hard, right, main memory. Can anyone guess where is the program now? I want answer from you. Where is the program now? Make it fast now. Loader also completed. Loader also completed. Where is the program now? Loader also completed. Where is the program now? Now it is there in the main memory. Now your program, after loader also done, means now your program is there in the main memory. Some people are asking, now my program is there in the main memory. Because of loader also done, my program is there in the main memory. Sir, what is the name of that state, sir? That state is called, my program is there in the main memory. Now that state is called ready state. It is something like BTech is completed. It is something like 4 years BTech is completed successfully. Now it is there in the main memory. That state is called a ready state. That state is called a ready state. No, ready state. Now can anyone help you now? Now your program is running or waiting? Now your program is there in the main memory. Now your program is there in the main memory. Is it waiting or running? Now your program is there in the main memory. Is it running or waiting? Now your program is there in the main memory. Is it running or waiting? Waiting, which is called a ready state. Ready state. Some people are asking, sir, why it is waiting, sir? CPU busy with someone else. Now CPU is busy with someone else. Let me give rough diagram. It is actually part of the OS. It is actually part of the OS. See this one. Let's see this one. Everyone listen. Program listen. Program typing. Everyone listen. Program typing. Program saving. Compilation. Assembler, linker, loader, all these things. This is called new state. This is called new state. Now after new state is over, loader will kept the program from hard disk to main memory. Now this is called a ready state. This is called a ready state. Now program is there in the main memory. It is the new state. It is a new state. This entire story is called new state. It is there in the hard disk. Now your program enter into the main memory. Now this state is called ready state. See, those people who are ready to run by CPU, they all are waiting. That state is called a ready state. That state is called a ready state. Can you help me know which memory it is? ROM or RAM? RAM memory, random access memory. In the main memory, RAM area, they are waiting. Some people are asking, why is waiting? CPU busy with someone else. That is the reason they are waiting. Now some people are asking, now sir, suppose that CPU is free, then what is the answer? Now we will shift from here to here. This is called running state. CPU free. CPU is free. Now it will go to running state. CPU free. Now it is going to running state. Whenever this running is going on, suppose isn't that program P1 is running. Program P1 is initially there in the ready state. Now because of CPU is free, right? P1 is running here. Unfortunately, whenever P1 is running, some other high priority processes came, or high priority program is came. Then what CPU will say to P1 is, hello P1, you wait, right? Hello P1, please you wait, because higher priority person is came, so I cannot run you further. Please wait. So he will go back. P1 is initially waiting in the ready state. Now CPU said that I am free. Hello P1, you can come. P1 is came, P1 is running by CPU. Unfortunately, higher priority person is came. So P1 replaced by P2. Now P1 will go back to ready state. Now some people are saying that, sir, whenever P2 is running, let us assume that some interrupt came, some maybe input required, maybe printer required, some IO devices required. This is called IO wait. This is called IO wait. No, you no need to write. This will come in the operating system. This will come in the operating system. You no need to write. Whenever a program is running by processor, if at all any IO problem will come, maybe input required, maybe output printer required. Unfortunately, to give input keyboard required, keyboard not available. To get the output printer required, printer is not available. Now CPU will say to the P2, hello P2, can you wait in the IO wait state? So now at the time, processor may take P1 again. Right, so I think the P2 is waiting in the IO wait state. Whenever P2, everything is successfully completed, he is waiting for something, it is happened, he will go back here and once again he will wait. Someone is saying that, Ashwini is saying interesting answer. Sir, loader will load program main memory to, loader will load the program from hard disk to main memory. If you don't run, it is there in the hard disk. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you so much for asking. Now, some people are asking, while running, high priority came, I will go back to ready state. High priority not came, but while running, some IO interrupt came, input interrupt came, or output interrupt came. Then I will go to IO wait state. Suppose no high priority, no IO interrupt also. Then happily I will go here. This is called termination, successfully completed. It's the termination state. It's the termination state. So remember see this one. Typing a program, saving a program, compiling a program, assembler to program, linker to program. These are all new state. Then whenever program is going from hard disk to main memory, this is called ready state. Those people who are ready, all will come here. They are waiting in the ready state. Because CPU is busy with someone else. Whenever CPU is free, you will say, you will ask one of the ready state person, can you come to me, running state. Whenever running is going on, some high priority person is came. Then he will say, high priority came, I cannot run. You please go and wait in the ready state. Right? Next one. Suppose high priority person is running. Unfortunately, some input required, keyboard is not available. Unfortunately, some output means printer required, printer not available. So CPU say that, right? I think some input required. Unfortunately, user is not giving input. Can you wait there? So that's called IO wait state. So after giving input, IO wait state person can go to ready state. Once again is ready, once again CPU say come. So it is keep on going until termination will happen. You no need to write this diagram. Sir, so exe is the input for loader. No, right? Exe is, listen everyone now. After loading, it will become exe. After loading, it will become exe. It will load from hard disk to main memory. It will be there, right? Hidden after loader work also completed. It will be there in the hard disk. When you click on run, then it will go there. Fine. Thank you so much for asking, Hidden. Fine here. Can we go further? Can we go further? Hidden loader will load the program. It may do some more changes also. It will load program from hard disk to main memory. It may do some changes also, whichever is necessary to that. Until unless you say run, it don't go to running. Until unless you say run, it don't go to ready state. So that exe file is, listen, that exe file is there in the hard disk only. But when you say run, then it will go. Now interesting answer. These all are there. These all are there in the main memory only. These all are there in the main memory only. All. Ready state, running state, IO wait state, termination state, all are there. All are there in the main memory only. Yeah, you can say like this. Hidden, you can say like this. You can say like this. It will create exe and it will move the program from, right? It will move the program from hard disk to main memory. Simply remember, loader will load the program from hard disk to main memory. Loader will load the program from hard disk to main memory, right? Remember, because everyone know after compilation you will go for running. After compilation you will go for running. After compilation you will go for running. Everyone know this. Now is it okay? If you don't write this also, no problem. See this one. This area, this total, if you don't write also, no problem. Anyhow, it will come in the operating system. Anyhow, it will come in the operating system. If you don't write also, no problem. New state is there in the hard disk. Remaining all will be there in the main memory. Main memory, or if you want, you can say cache memory. Main memory, or if you want, you can say cache memory also. Now come back here. So please take care about all the things. Linker will link. That is the reason names came. Linker will link. Linker will link. Loader will load the program from hard disk to main memory. Assembler, it will create a relocatable code. Compiler will convert high level to low level. Preprocessor will convert high level to pure high level. Sir, storage mapping done by the compiler. Storage mapping in the sense. So that is done by the memory management. See, limited work done by all these people, right? The major thing done by the operating system. Memory allocation, memory deallocation, file management, process management, all the things are done by operating system. Programming level, see this one. This level, whatever is possible, it will do that. This level, whatever is possible, right? These all compiler, assembler, all will do that. Necessary changes they will do. Remaining part done by the right operating system, that is called memory management, file management, process management, all the things. Yeah, thanks everyone. So are you comfortable this area? If you okay, I can move to the next one. Just remember. See, whatever is necessary, they will come in the operating system. Just think about only this diagram. Think about only this diagram. Don't ask me more also, because it will confuse other people. It will confuse other people, because in operating system, anyhow you see that. What is ready state? What is running state? What is the wait state? What is the termination state? What is the new state? All the things anyhow will come. Just I given roughly I given. This is called process state diagram. Right. So remember everyone, preprocessor don't do any calculation. It will do only substitution. Preprocessor don't do any calculation. It will do only substitution. Hi Sai. Hi. Congratulations, Sai. Sai, congratulations. So Sai got IIT Hyderabad. Sai, congratulations. Yeah, good evening, Sai. So is there anyone who is having doubt? Introduction to compiler, anyone having any doubt? Introduction to compiler. Right, thank you, Sai. Thank you so much. Introduction to compiler, anyone having doubt? Please have look on everything. What preprocessor will do? Talk about only this area. High level, right? Preprocessor, high level to pure high level. Compiler, pure high level to low level. Assembler, low level to relocatable language. Linker, it will link it. Loader, it will load. Linker will link here, loader will load. What is there in that? Linker will link, loader will load. Loading means hard disk to main memory mapping. Mapping from hard disk to main memory. Their operating system also will come to the picture. If I ever have any doubts, I will revise the notes. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sai. Thank you so much. So I think, see this one, to explain the story, right? I given this. See this one, this entire page for preprocessor. The main component, whatever we discussed so far, about this preprocessor, the major discussion we done preprocessor, right? This is also called macro definition. This is also called macro definition. Replacing shortcut by actual. That is the purpose of preprocessor. See, preprocessor will do one thing. Listen, preprocessor will do one thing. See, here shortcut they replace by actual, and it will cancel also. Here shortcut is there. See, here shortcut replace by actual, and whatever is the shortcut you written here, it will cancel also because further not required. Next one, what is the preprocessor purpose? See, replacing shortcut. See this one, replacing shortcut by actual. It don't do any calculation, but it will do, right, only substitution. It don't do any calculation, but it will do only substitution. Next one. Initially program typing and all are there in the new state. All, but whenever everything done, compilation successfully over. Listen, compiler successfully over. Now your program will be shifted to, right? Your program will be shifted to ready state. Now your program is ready. But CPU not ready. Your program ready, CPU not ready. Whenever some people are asking, sir, program ready, CPU not ready. What is the meaning? I am explaining now. See, listen everyone now. Program ready, but CPU not ready. What is the meaning? It is something like, right, you got BTech, but no one giving job. You got the BTech degree, but no one giving job. So you are waiting. See, with the degree, you are waiting. BTech degree got. You got the BTech degree. You are waiting because no one given job. Someone is given job to you. Then you will go to running. Some people are asking, sir, so many people here, only one CPU, whom you will take? So there is one more story here. What is this one? Here called, right? Here called CPU scheduling. See this one here. See this one. People got BTech degree. They are waiting for a job. Waiting. Because CPU is not ready. Means company people are not ready. Whenever company people ready, they will say come. When I say come, all people are coming. CPU scheduler will select only one person. See this one. I think CPU scheduling algorithm may be SJF algorithm. Shortest job first. FIFO algorithm. First in, first out algorithm. Round robin algorithm. So like that, all CPU scheduling algorithms will come here. Some people are asking, sir, so many people are waiting, only one CPU, whom he will take, sir? CPU scheduler will decide. Fine. Sir, who is the CPU scheduler? Maybe SJF algorithm, maybe FIFO algorithm, maybe round robin algorithm. So something like that. See, some dogs are shouting outside. Cyan, dogs are calling you. Cyan, your friends, dogs calling you. Are Shakir, one of your friend, dog is calling you. Are Johan, your best friend, dog came. Yeah, all done in the hard disk only. Now, it is a very, very important question. Listen, everyone listen. It is a very, very important one. Can everyone listen? Can everyone listen? Everyone listen this. Everyone listen. Careful, careful, careful everyone. Everyone listen this. Whenever you say compile, careful. I have a program. I said compile. Remember everyone. Yeah, can you see this line? Vipul, can you see this line? Vipul, can you see this line? I have a program. I have a program. That program. I have a program. I said that program compile. Everyone listen. When I say compile, actually when I say compile, only compile only should be done. But they don't want to trouble the user. Whenever I will say compiler, listen, when I say compile, only compilation should be done. Only compilation should be done. But it will do before compilation little bit. It will do after compilation also little bit it will do. After compilation also it will do little bit. When I say compile, right, it has to do only compile. But it don't want to trouble the user. It will do little bit before compilation. It will do little bit after compilation also. Otherwise, compiler should run one time for preprocessor, one time for compiler, one time for assembler, one time for right linker, one time for loader. You have to do like this. So what the right, when I say compile, what happened is, for user experience, for user advantage, when I say compile, little bit of right, little bit before compilation done, preprocessor, little bit after compilation also done. Something like assembler, linker, loader, like that it will be done. So Vipul, you got? When I say compile, actually only compiler should be done. But it will do before compilation also. It will do after compilation also little bit. Otherwise, I cannot disturb the user again and again. I cannot disturb the user. These many things who will do? For pre-processing purpose one time, compilation purpose one time, assembler purpose one time. If I keep on doing, user will trouble. User may not happy. He may stop programming. So that is the reason when I say compile, not only compiler, before compiler something will be done, after compiler also something will be done. Yeah, I hope everyone got it. Thank you so much for asking, Vipul. Vipul, thank you so much. See, whatever I written on the board, you got it or not? Whatever I written on the board, you got it or not? Whatever I written on the board, you got it or not? Please let me know anyone having any doubts. About everything, please get to know. Don't go deep also. Not required. What linker will do? Link. It will link. What loader will do? It will load. What assembler will do? It will create relocatable machine language. What compiler will do? High level to low level. What preprocessor will do? High level to pure high level. Please get to know. Don't do research. Because only limited questions are there from this. Why you do research? I can read more, I can say more. What do they use? Just get to know the flow. Just get to know this flow. That's it. Whatever I said, please write properly in your notes. Loader will load. And one more thing, sir, if I say compile, only compile will happen or before also, afterwards also? Before compilation, preprocessor will be done. When I say compile, it will start from preprocessor. When I say compile, preprocessor, compiler followed by other things also will come. Actually, they are not part of the compiler. Listen, compile means this only. Compiler means this only. This is only compile. For user convenience, you will do little bit before, you will do little bit after. For user convenience, but they are not part of compiler. If anyone say compiler input, say high level language, output low level language, simply say this. Compiler input output this only. Compiler input output this only. Compiler input is high level, output is low level. That's it. Input is high level, output is low level. That's it. Then what about preprocessor? But for user convenience, you will add little bit before compiler, you will add little bit after compiler. For user convenience, they are not part of compiler. For user convenience, they added. Can I move to next? Can I move to next? Can I move to next? Hello? Can I move? Everyone respond. Everyone respond. Can I move? Any condition, we can go ready to new state. See, a program is created, it's already executable. How can you go ready state to new state? Right? It is not possible. It's already exe is created. Fine. You don't go to ready state to new state, ready state to running state. Remember, it is a part of operating system. Remember, it is a part of operating system. It's a part of operating system. No need to do more work on this. Roughly, I given at the end of the day, all are part of computer science only. I given some rough idea. At the end of the day, all are part of computer science only. I given some rough idea. Program created. Right? So this total area executable. This area program is executable. So all the things, please be careful. Everything I explained. Remember, everyone remember, compilation means this only. Compilation means this only. This is the only compilation. For user convenience, when you say compile, he will do little bit extra before, he will do little bit extra afterwards. This is the only compilation. Little bit before, little bit after they will do for user convenience, but they are not part of compiler. They are not part of compiler. Exactly. Hi, Varun. Hi, fine. Because of everyone, okay, no one having doubts. So just I want to say one thing. See this one. After compiler, this is called language processing. This entire diagram, if you see how a particular language will be processed, this entire story, whatever I done until now, how a particular language will be processed. See everyone now, how a particular language will be processed, right? So this entire diagram is the language processing diagram, right? In the language processing, after compiler, whoever helping in the language processing, after compilation, whoever helping, who are those? Assembler and linker loader. These people are known as cousins of compiler. In the language processing, after compiler, whoever helping. In the language processing, after compiler, whoever helping, right? Assembler, linker, loader. These are known as cousins of compilers. Just write this line also. In the language processing, after compiler, whoever is helping, those are known as cousins of compiler. Those are assembler, linker, loader. Yeah, thank you, Varun. Thank you so much. Just write this line also. In the language processing, after compilation, right? Whoever helping, right? Whoever helping, assembler, linker, loader, those are known as cousins of compiler. Not required, it is better to write one time. Not required, it is better to write one time. Yeah, perfect. In my opinion, everyone got everything. Now write down. Can you help me now? What is our subject name? Can everyone write? What is our subject name? Can everyone write? Can you type what is our subject name? Please careful everyone. What is our subject name? Can everyone type? Compiler design. So remember, our target is compiler design. See, our target is not linker. Our target is not assembler. Our target is not preprocessor or loader. That is not our target. Our target is compiler. Our target is compiler. Remember. So can you concentrate on this? Listen everyone now. Our target is only compiler. This is compiler. Our target is compiler. This is compiler. This compiler will take low-level language as input. That is the reason I don't want to discuss on linker. That is the reason I don't want to discuss on loader. That is the reason I don't discuss on assembler. How assembler is working, how linker working, how loader working. That is not our goal. Our goal is only compiler. Just to know what linker will do. Just know what assembler will do. Just know what the loader will do. That's it. No need to discuss more on that. You just concentrate more on compiler. Let's take compiler. Our goal is only compiler. Compiler will take low-level language as input and it will produce high-level language as output. Or high-level language or machine language as output or assembly language as output. Write down this. Compiler is a compiler, right? Compiler will take high-level language as input. It will produce low-level language as output. It will produce, sorry for this reverse. Yeah, I can understand. It will take high-level language as input. It will produce low-level language as output. Our goal is only this. This is the only discussion. If anyone confused until now, just know the flow. That's it. Just know the flow, because that is not our discussion. Our discussion is only this. Compiler will take high-level language as input. It will produce low-level language as output. Remember everyone, if anyone don't know, remember, compiler is a software. Some people thinking compiler is a hardware. No, bhaiya, compiler is a software. That is the reason people used to say install compiler, download compiler. Compiler is a software. It is a program. That is the reason we are discussing. As a computer science person, why we are discussing? Because it is a program. As a computer science person, why we are discussing compiler? Because it is a program. We are the people who made the compiler. Right? If anyone is not done till now, definitely maybe in the masters you will do, maybe in the PhD you will do, maybe while doing job you will do. Remember, compiler is a one program. It may be complex program, but it is a program. Maybe approximately 10 lakh lines of code is there. Compiler contain approximately 10 lakh lines of code is there. But everyone know, 10 lakh lines of code means internally so many functions. Remember, compiler is a 10 lakh lines of code. 10 lakh lines of code I cannot write in one function. Total code will be divided into so many small modules or small functions. The first function of compiler is lexical analyzer. It is a program. Inside program, so many functions. First function is lexical analyzer. Second function is syntax analyzer. Third one is semantic analyzer. Fourth one is intermediate code generator. Next one is code optimization. Lastly, target code generator. Compiler is a very big software which will take a high level, which will give low level. But when you say very big software, so very big code is available. So total code I cannot write in one function. They kept the total program into so many functions. One of the function name is lexical analyzer. One more function name is syntax analyzer. one more semantic, one more intermediate code generator, one more code optimization, one more target code generator. Intermediate one is intermediate code generator, right? Last one is a target code generator. So approximately 6 functions are there. Compiler is a very big software. You cannot write in one function. So internally, almost like 6 functions are there. Lexical to target code generator. Some people are asking, sir, whenever this program is running, whenever this much big program is running, at anywhere, if I want to store something, where I will store, sir? At any point of time, whenever these are running, if you want to store anything, right? I think some global space is there. That space name is called symbol table. When you say program, this program is running. While running, I want to note down something. Where I will note down? Symbol table. In the similar way, when my class going on, I want to note down anything, I will note down, right? On my board. This board I will note down. Whenever class going on, you want to note down something. In your notes, you will note down. So whenever compilation is going on, if they want to note down something, they will store. That is called symbol table. In the symbol table, they will store. This is one data structure. Whenever compilation is going on, you want to store something, you can store in this. You can store in symbol table. You can take from symbol table. It's both the direction. Both the direction you can do. You can store, you can take. You can store, you can take. All the 6 people can store, can take. Everyone having right. All 6 people can take, can store. Some people are asking, sir, whenever these 6 people are going on at anywhere, some problem came, what should I do, sir? Suppose this much big program is running, there may be a chance that some problems will come. How to? That is called error handler. You can inform to this person, he will take the corresponding action, error handler. If you listen properly, A to Z I will keep in your notes. If you listen properly, A to Z I will keep in your notes. You no need to read anything, just read my notes. Followed by weekend test, followed by PYQs. Over, game over. Game over. Trust me, game over. Just read notes, just to do PYQs and weekend test. That's more than enough. That's more than enough. Remember, our concentration is only compiler. Someone is saying input is pure high level. If you want, you can write. Right? Simply, right? Shakir, you can say pure high level. People used to say high level. Second last, code optimization. Intermediate code generator. Target code generator. Intermediate code generator. Target code generator. Intermediate code generator. Target code generator. Some people are asking, sir, why are you explaining this much clearly? Our subject name is compiler. We will discuss only compiler, not assembler. Not assembler. If anyone asks more about assembler, I cannot explain. If anyone asks more about assembler, I cannot explain. There is no need. Because our goal is not assembler. If anyone asks me more questions on linker and loader, I cannot give answer. Because our goal is not linker and loader. Our goal is only compiler. Concentrate compiler. It doesn't mean that you don't know at all what linker will do. Linker will link. So many files are there which are related to me. It will link as a single file. What loader will do? Loader will load program from hard disk to main memory. Then what compiler will do? It will convert from high level to low level. What the preprocessor will do? Name itself saying preprocessor. Before going to the actual story, it will do pre-processing. It will do pre-processing. Right? Next one. What assembler? Relocatable. Everything no. What is input? What is output? What is input? What is output? But major thing is compiler. No compiler clearly. So last one, intermediate, see this one. From the top, fourth person, intermediate code generator. From the last, fourth one, sorry, from the top, fourth one, intermediate code generator. Fifth one, code optimization. Sixth one, target code generator. Sir, whenever these many functions are going on, I want to note down something, some valuable information, where I note down symbol table. Sir, whenever this much story going on, there may be chance of some errors. Who will handle it? Error control. Error handler. Fine. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Intermediate code generator, code optimization, target code generator. Is it okay? Make it fast. Say it. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah. So this one, this one, this one. So those people who are serious, if you are serious about GATE examination, if you are serious about GATE examination, if you are serious about GATE examination, you can join in this batch. You are preparing for 2025 or 2026 or 2027. If you are serious, you can join in this batch. You can join in this batch. Just go to ExamPrepTool.com. From there, you can join. Whichever year you want, you can join. If you are serious, you can join. If you are not serious, you no need to join. If you have small doubt also, you can WhatsApp us, right? We are going to resolve your doubt. If you have doubt, you can WhatsApp me. If you don't have doubt, you can go directly, you can take the subscription for 25 or 26 or 27, GATE CSE or GATE DA. Whichever you want, you can take. Whichever you want, you can take. Next one. Yeah. So every day, daily quizzes are going on in the exam prep tool. Telegram channel, you can join. Telegram group or Telegram channel, you can join. Right? So you can join in that. So you will get the quizzes and all. So 30-day challenge is going on. So every day, one DSA question with the problem and answer will be explained. So you can watch all the 30 days DSA challenges. If you want to be good in that DSA and app development, you can join in this course. Web development and DSA, you can join in this course. Only DSA, you can join in this. Yeah, fine, perfect. So today, this is the story which happened. Tomorrow, you will see some more details. Tomorrow, you will see some more details. I think today's class is just started from here. See, syllabus I said first. Today's class is started here. Syllabus I done first. Then introduction to compiler means how all are linked together. All linked together how we discussed. But major one is compiler. Remember, our concentration is compiler only, but you want to know everything little bit, what happening before, after. So I connected all the things. Just know the definitions. Just know the definitions. Right. So afterwards, main thing is compiler. Main thing is compiler. So I started compiler. Tomorrow you will get the more clarity. Remember, only notes you read. Plus weekend test followed by PYQs. It's more than enough. Someone is saying, right, when it will complete, right, after this, right, whenever this is going on, maybe OS will start. Whenever compiler is going on, OS will start. After compiler is over, CN will start. After OS over, COA will start. Right? Whatever is done till now, you please complete all. Whatever is done till now, you complete all the things. If you are doing whatever is happening, right? So I think you done the really nice work. Fine. Whenever compiler is going on, OS also will start. Compiler over, CN will start. OS over, COA will start. And whatever subjects are completed, please do PYQs. Whatever subjects are completed, please do weekend tests. Yeah. See you in the next class. See you in the next class. Let me know if anyone having doubt. Sir, will be able to finish CD before August 20? Yeah, before only. Before only. In my opinion, August 10. Yeah, of course. Of course. Of course, Sain. Can we move further? Yeah, can we stop now? Can we stop now? In the next class, we will see, right? In the next class, we will see some more details. If I continue further, I have to stop in between. If I continue further, I have to stop in between. It is not a good idea, right? So I have to explain one by one phase with the help of examples. It will disturb you if I stop in between. In the next class, we'll see one by one. Just I given the introduction. How they look like, how they connected, and all the things. Tomorrow 7 p.m. Tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday. If possible, I will let you know. I want to take. If any possibility there, I will take. So I'm not sure tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will take or not. If possibility there, I will take. Fine. Okay. If possibility there, I will inform you. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If possibility there, I will keep. I will try. Surely I will try. I can complete in 10 days also. Morning one class, evening one class. I can complete in 10 days also. Morning one, evening one. I can do that. But why to trouble yourself, right? You have a lot of time. You whatever completed, please do it. I can take morning one, morning compiler one, right? Evening compiler two. Morning compiler one, evening compiler. If I do 10 days only, why you trouble that much? Whatever happened, whatever subjects are happened, revise it. Write the tests, do PYQs and all the things. Right? He's saying, please keep. Sir, please keep the class like that so that I don't attend. There are still four subjects. There are still four subjects. What are those? Three, na? Three subjects, na? What are those? CNOA, COA. CNOA, COA. अरे गुटले three na? How four? CD going on na? अरे गुटले previous classes they are there, right? All big subjects. Who said to you? Who said to you all big subjects? He written Bhagavad Gita. अरे बच्चा So can we stop now? Sir, I thought you will be eating poha before USA going. What is that before USA going means? Stop. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.